Hello everyone. In previous section I will discuss the spinal cord and the ganglia, what is the ganglia, what is the length of the spinal cord, and today I will discuss the gray matter and white matter of the brain and the spinal cord. Gray matter and the white matter of the brain and the spinal cord. In the whole of the brain and the spinal cord, the two things are present. What are two things? The gray matter and the white matter. When we take a section of the fresh brain or the spinal cord, then it shows the some area as white and others are the gray. When we take the section of the spinal cord, when we take the section of the fresh brain or the spinal cord then it shows some areas as white and others are the gray. That is the white and the gray. Then what is white matter? White matter, in of the whole of the brain, the white matter and the gray matter are present. Different nuclei are present at a different level of the, just like in the medulla, at the level of the pons, the pontine nuclei are the present. Then white, it is white matter. It is the aggregation. White matter क्या है? It is the aggregation of myelinated processes or fiber, myelinated processes or the fibers from many nerve cells. And there is the myelination, and myelin is white in color. So the collection of the fiber white in color. So the collection of the fibers looks white. Yani two terms, that is the myelinated process and myelin is white, so the collection of the fiber looks white. Next is the gray matter. What is gray matter? It is a collection of nerve cell body. It is the collection of nerve cell body, the dendrites and unmyelinated, not the myelinated, unmyelinated axons. And this gray matter looks grayish in color. Why? The answer is there is no myelin. There is no myelin in these areas. There are no myelin in these areas. Thus, in the whole brain and the spinal cord, the gray matter is present, the white matter is present. Gray matter is the collection of nerve cell body, dendrites and unmyelinated axons, and here is the myelinated process in case of the white matter. Now, in case of the, when we take the TS of the spinal cord, that is the transverse section of the spinal cord, when we take the TS of the spinal cord, here is the central canal of the spinal cord, and here is the gray matter, and on the outside the white matter are present. The gray matter, the white matter, the fissure and the funiculus are also present, and gray matter and the white matter are present. We see that even when we take the TS of the spinal cord, then in the center there is the gray matter and white matter, and outside the gray matter the white matter is present, and in this white matter the tracts are also present. What are tracts? Just like the descending tract, the ascending tracts are present. Whereas in the cerebrum or the cerebellum, this is the part of the hind brain. Cerebrum, it is the part of the forebrain, and cerebellum is the part of the hind brain. In the center there is the white matter. In the center the white matter is present, and outside there is the gray matter. Just like it is the reverse of the spinal cord. In the spinal cord there is in the center there is the gray matter, outside white matter, whereas in the cerebrum in the center white matter, and outside the gray matter. And we see that whole of the brain, these gray matter, brain and the spinal cord, gray matter and the white matter is present. White matter is white because of the myelination, gray matter is gray because of the unmyelinated region. This is all about the gray matter and the white matter. Thank you. Please share, subscribe and like my video.